cooking in Liliana's Keto Kitchen. We've got a beautiful stir fry with some broccoli, some sugar snaps, and some asparagus, a little bit of sriracha, and a little bit of sesame seeds, and also a little sesame oil. I've got some really beautiful shrimp there, and it's got a marinade of some orange, a little bit of Lakanto maple syrup, chili flakes in there, and lots of ginger. And then I've got these beautiful noodles that are super low carbohydrate. They're made out of an oat fiber. So what a great way to have Asian food and have a beautiful Buddha bowl, and all super keto delicious. So if you want more keto recipes, just download my keto cookbook and join me at the end of every month on Saturday at 12 o'clock for our Inner Zoom cooking show. Love to have you.